Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You are studying also. So today we want to discuss one important chapter, factorization. So see what is factorization. So at first we should know the basic things. What is factor? Already we know, we have learned also what is factor. Suppose if we take one example, factors of 10, we know that find out the factors of 10. 2 5 is 10. Okay, so we can write the factors of 10 equal to 1 2 5 and 10. That is the factors of 10. Clear? These are the factors of 10. Clear? Otherwise another way also we can write 10 equal to what? 1 into 10, or we can write 2 into 5. We can write or not? Clear? So that means we are getting what? 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 10. These are the factors of 10. Clear? These are the factors. So now we are going to discuss factorization. What is factorization? So see, definition: when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expressions. When an algebraic expression we know that, suppose algebraic expression what? Ax plus by plus cz, this is a algebraic expression. So this type of algebraic expression, when we can written as the product of two or more expressions, product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expression. Okay, another way also we can say that the process of, another definition also, the process of writing an algebraic expression as the product of two or more expressions is called the factorization of the resolution of the given expression into its factor. So what is factorization? What is the definition of factorization? Try to understand. When we can express an algebraic expression in the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expression is called a factor of the given expression. If we take one example, see, already given here one example, try to understand. Example C, we know that x square minus 36. This one what? This one algebraic expression. Here how many terms are there? Here one terms, x square one terms, minus 36 also one term. Okay, I hope you have learned that algebraic expression chapter, otherwise again I will discuss it. Okay, so x square minus 36 means we can write x square minus 36, we can write what? X square minus 36 means we can write what? 6 square. We can write or not? 36 means what? 6 square. So this is what? A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula. What is the a square minus b square formula? A square minus b square formula is telling that a plus b into a minus b. Clear? This is the formula. A square minus b square formula what? A plus b into a minus b. So that's why we can write here this one also same thing, x square minus 6 square equal to what? X plus 6 into x minus 6. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so this example clear? So from here we can say this x plus 6 is a factor of this x square minus 36. Clear or not? We can say or not? Similarly x minus 6 also, this x minus 6 also similarly the factor of x square minus 36. Clear? So two factors we are getting from here, x plus 6 and x minus 6, two factors of x square minus 36. Clear? Okay. Now we find out the HCF of monomials. How we find out that HCF of monomials? What is monomials? We know one algebraic expression whose one term will be there, means how many terms will be there? One term only will be there. That expression is called that monomials. Clear? Monomials, binomials, trinomials, polynomials, so many mials are there. Monomials means mono means one. Then how many terms will be there? One terms will be there. An algebraic expression whose one term will be there, that is monomials. The binomial means bi means two. So two terms will be there, and an algebraic expression whose two terms will be there, that is called that binomials. Trinomials means three terms will be there. Clear? Okay. So now we find out what HCF of monomials. What is the formula? HCF of monomials. How we find out the HCF? So see, one formula is there, HCF of numerical coefficients into HCF of literal coefficients. HCF of numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients means suppose 1, 2, 3 number, that is numerical coefficient. And literal coefficient means that one will be variable. Clear? Numerical coefficient and literal coefficients are difference. Clear or not? Numerical coefficients means expression or a term where that number will be there. Number, numeric means suppose 1x, 2x, 3x. Suppose here, suppose 5x. 5x means x what? X algebraic what? X what? Just a minute. X is a variable, or we can say that literal coefficients. We can say that literal coefficients, and 5 is the what? Numerical coefficients. Clear? Suppose 10x. Suppose 10x. 10x means 10 will be what? 10 will be the numerical coefficients, and 5 will be the x will be the literal coefficients. Clear or not? Which one numerical coefficients and which one literal coefficients? Clear? Okay. So what is the formula? HCF of monomials equal to HCF of numerical coefficients into HCF of literal coefficients. Okay. So now see the examples. So first question, see, find the HCF of 6ab, find the HCF of 6ab cube and 9a square b square. Find the HCF of 6ab cube and 9a square b square. So 6ab cube, that is one term means that is monomial, and another one 9a square b square also, that is also one single term, that means that is also monomial. So now we find out the HCF. Now we find out the HCF of these two terms. Okay. So first see 6 is there, numerical coefficient is there. What is the numerical coefficients? 6 is the numerical coefficients and 9 is the numerical coefficients. Clear? So two numerical coefficients we are getting, 6 and 9s. So what is the HCF of 6 and 9s? What is the coefficient of 6? The HCF of 6 and 9s, we know that. What? 3. HCF we can find out also. Okay. So that's why here written what? That's why here written 3. Clear? So HCF of 6 and 9 what? We are getting what? 3. And the remaining, the literal coefficients what? Here AB cube, here AB cube, and here a square b square. Okay. So AB cube, see, AB cube and a square b square, we find out the HCF. HCF means what? We know that highest common factor. What is the common is there? A here also is there, and here also is A is there, but common, which one is common? A is common, that's why we will take A from two terms. Okay, because here not square is not there, so that's why we will take common A. And here see b cube, but here b square, so which one will be the common? B square. Clear? So that's why the coefficient what is the literal coefficient? Here ab cube and here a square b square. So we are getting HCF of this ab cube and a square b square, we are getting what? ab square. So that's why here written ab square, and after that what? Their product multiplication in middle. So that's why we are getting what? 3ab square. That is the HCF of the two monomials. Understood? Try to understand. If any problem, you can ask through message or through WhatsApp, you can ask. Okay. Next example, see. Here given the find the HCF of 15 a square b cube c to the power 4, a square b cube c to the power 4, 20 a cube b to the power 4 c to the power 5, and 25 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6. Okay. So at first we find out the HCF of the numerical coefficients. So numerical coefficient, see, from 3 times we are getting here 15, here 20, here 25. Okay. Now find out the HCF of 15, 20 and 25. So what is the HCF? Say, what is the HCF? So from here we are getting what? 5, because 15 divisible by 5, 20 also divisible by 5 and 25 also divisible by 5. That means here highest common factor means HCF will be what? 5. So HCF of 15, 20 and 25 what? Will be 5. That's why here written 5. Up to this one clear? Okay, next see. The remaining the literal coefficients here a square b cube and c to the power 4. Here a cube b to the power 4 c to the power 5. Here a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6. Okay, so at first see the common. So see the variable a square, here a square is there, here a cube is there, here a square, here a cube and a to the power 4. So what will be the common? A square will be the common. So that's why here written a square. Clear? Next b cube, here b cube, here b to the power 4, here b to the power 5. So common will be the lowest one, b cube. So that's why here written b cube. And c to the power 4, here c to the power 5, c to the power 6, c to the power 4 will come. Clear or not? Understood? So that's why here written a square b cube c to the power 4 and 5 HCF of the numerical coefficients, and after that their multiplication 5 a square b cube c to the power 4. That is the answer. So therefore the HCF of 15 a square b cube c to the power 4, 20 a cube b to the power 4 c to the power 5 and 25 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6 equal to 5 a square b cube c to the power 4. Up to this one clear? Okay, that easy things, just try to understand, very easy. Now we will discuss one important thing, the factorization. For factorization of an expression by talking out of the common factor. Okay, factorization of an expression by talking out the common factor. Case 1. When each term of the given expression contains a common monomial factor, that is for as a expression of the form ax plus by. Okay, so when we will take the example, that one will be clear. Okay, and here method, steps 1, 2, so many things are there. Okay, that one also method, steps. At first see the step 1, find the HCF of all terms of the given expressions. Find the HCF. We are doing also the same thing, we are finding at first the what? HCF. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, now what is the step 1? At first we find out the HCF of the all terms. Okay, and step 2, what is the step 2? Divide each term. Step 2 what? Divide each term of the given expression by the HCF of HCF. So obtain, enclose the quotients within a bracket and keep the common monomials outside of the bracket. Okay. Okay. So see the examples, that your doubt will be cleared. That problem you will get the concept, means your concept will be clarified. Okay, so see the example. Factorize, what is the question? Factorize 9ab plus 15b square, 15b, 9ab and 15b. We find out the at first HCF according to the method. So see, so at first we find out the HCF of what? 9 and 15. 9 and 15. So that HCF of 9 and 15 what? HCF of 9 and 15 3, because 3 3 is 9 and 3 5 is 15. So that's why HCF of 9 and 15 what? 3. Clear? And from AB and here B, so we are getting what will be the common? AB and B. AB and B. A is here in this term but is not here, so A won't take, but B in this term B also is there, here also B is there, so that's why B will be the common. That's why here written what? B, and after that their multiplication, so that's why we are getting 3B. So 3B is a common factor of each term. Understood or not? Clear? Easy things. So that's why we are taking common from these two terms. What will be the common? 3 will be the common at first from 9 and 15, from 9 and 15. Otherwise just see, I am writing again 9ab plus 15b. So at first take common from 9 and 15. What will be the common? 3 will be the common, so 3 common, take 3. And after that A won't take, because A is here but here not here, so only B is common is here in two terms, that's why we take B common. Okay, after that give bracket. So after common, the remaining portion what will be there? So 3 3 is 9, so remaining portion will be there, so 3. Okay, and A also is there. Okay, so put it here A, 3A. Next plus sign, put plus sign. Next, from these terms we took the common portion, 3 common, that one already taken. So the remaining portion what? 3 5 is 15, that's why here write 5. Okay, and B common, that one already taken, so that's why only here will be the 5. That means the answer will be 3B into 3A plus 5. Clear or not? Clear? Otherwise try to understand. Okay, next problem, see. Next problem what? 6a square minus 8ab plus 4a. Okay, so at first take common from the numerical coefficients. So 6, 8 and 4, what will be the common? 2 will be the common, because 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4, so that's why 2 take common from 3 terms. Okay, and that little coefficient, from little coefficient we are getting what? Here a square, here ab and here a. Okay, so what will be the common? Here a square but here only a, and here also same, only a. So what will be the common? Only a will be the common. Clear? B, see B is here but in two terms B is not there, so B won't take. So after that take bracket, common portion already finished. Okay, okay, now the remaining portion, that one will be in the bracket. So from 6 we are taking 2, that means 2 3 is 6, not 4, not minus. Okay, so only multiplication. So 2 3 is 6, that's why here already taken 2, so the remaining portion 3 will be here. Okay, so similarly here also see a square was there, a square already taken here only a, so that one the remaining a also will come here. Understood? Okay, next see minus sign, put minus sign here. 8, from 8 already 2 taken, so that one will be what? 6 or 4? 4 will be there, because 2 4 is 8, so that's why 2 already taken, so the remaining 4 will be there, not 6. Okay, and see next a already taken, the remaining what? Remaining b is there, put it here b. Clear? Next plus sign, put plus sign. Next 4a, from 4a already, from 4 2 already taken, so the remaining 2 will be there, 2 2 is 4, okay, and a already taken here, so after that bracket, so that is the answer. So that's why we are getting here 2a into 3a minus 4b plus 2. Just check it here and answer 2a into 3a minus 4b plus 2. Clear? Up to this one clear? Okay. Next page. Just a minute. Okay. Now see example 3. See, we find out the HCF. Okay, we find out the HCF. Otherwise, see the problem. Just a minute. See the question. What question? The question number 3. What? 36 a cube b minus 60 a square bc. So write it. I am writing here. So 36 a cube b minus 60 a square bc. A square bc. Okay. Now we do the factorize. So same way, at first we will take common from that the numerical coefficient. Okay. So what will be the coefficient that HCF of that 36 and 60? 6, because 6 is a 36, here 60 is a 60. Okay. So we will take here 6. Understood? Otherwise we can find out the HCF also. Another way also we can find out HCF also. Okay. Next see here a cube, but here a square. So what will be the common? A square will be the common. Put it here a square. Okay. Here will be the a square. Next b, from this term we are getting here b, and here we are getting what? Only b also. Here also b, here also b. So put it here b. Understood? But here c is not there, but here c is there. So c won't take, not possible, because that is won't come, because not common. No, c is not in this term, so that's why we won't take. So next put the bracket. Okay. So after common we are getting what? In bracket we are getting here already taken 6. So from 36 we are taking 6. So another 6 will come. Clear or not? 6 is a 36. Okay. Next from a cube already taken a square. So only the remaining a will be there, because here a cube was there, 3 times a was there, but we are taking here a 2 times. So only 1 time will be there. That's why here only a. B here 1 time already taken. Okay. Complete. Next put minus sign. Next 60, from 60 already taken here 6. So 6 times is 60, so 10 will be there. Okay, 10. After that from a square already taken here, so a square won't come here, already finished. Next b also finished, b already taken, b already finished, only the c left, so put here c only. So that is the answer. Clear? So answer will be there. The factorize of 36 a cube b, 36 a cube b minus 60 a square bc will be there. 6 a square b minus 6a square b into 6a minus 10c. That is the answer. Clear? Okay. Next see example 4. Means example 2 4. What is the question? 6x y square. So I am writing here 6x y square plus 9x square y minus 24 xy. So what is the question? 6xy square plus 9x square y minus 24 xy. Okay. So now we take the common from 3 terms. Okay. So at first take common from the numerical part, means numerical coefficient. Here 6, here 9, and here 24. So what will be the common? 3 will be the common. Clear? Because 3 through 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, and 3 is 24. Okay. Okay. 3 common, that one finished. Now we will take common from the what, literal coefficient. Literal coefficient what, x y square, here x square y and here x y. So at first see variable x, here x, here x square and here x. So what will be the common? X will be the common. So put here x. Okay, and y, see here y square, here y and here y. So common will be y. Understood or not? Now put the bracket. Okay, so 3 already taken. Here was 6, here was 6. So 3 2 is 6. Put here 2. Okay, x y square, x already taken, but here was y square, means 2 times y, but here we have taken only 1 time, means only 1 time y will come. Understood? Okay, next put plus sign. 9, from 9 3 already taken, so the remaining 3 will come. Now see here x square was there, we have taken what, x only, so the remaining x will come. And y, here was 1 time, already taken here 1 time, finished. Next minus sign, put here minus sign. 24, from 24 3 taken, so 8 will come, because 3 8 is 24. Okay, and here see x already taken here 1 time and y also only 1 time, that one also taken here, so already finished. So close the bracket. So that is the answer. So we are getting the factorize of 6xy square plus 9x square y minus 24xy, that will be the answer. 3xy into 2y plus 3x minus 8. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Now we are going to the next page. So see, already we have described that one. This example already cleared, already finished. That one also already finished. Okay. Okay. Now case 2. Case 1 already finished. Now case 2. Just a minute. See, case 2 what? Case 2 are telling when a polynomial is a common multiplier of each term of the given expression, that is for an expression of the form a into x plus y, plus minus b into x plus y. Hence we can convert this polynomial in this form. In this form means a into x plus y plus minus b into x plus y, either plus otherwise minus in the middle. Okay, so just see the examples. From examples your that concept will be clarified. Okay, so example 3c. Why we are discussing that example? Because your concept at first we should try to understand our that basic things, the basic formulas, basic examples. From here only we can do that our that exercise part. So that's why we are explaining that example part at first. Okay, now example 3. Example 3, factorize 3x into a plus 2b minus 2y into a plus 2b. That is one polynomial given. Polynomial means we know that polynomial means algebraic expression whose term will be, how many terms will be there? How many terms will be there? Many terms will be there. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, we know that. Monomial means what? Monomial means 1, binomial means 2, trinomial means 3. So similarly polynomial means that terms will be there, more terms will be there. Okay. Okay, now see, so this is algebraic expression given. Now we find out the solution. What is the solution? See, here basically 3x into a plus 2b minus 2y into a plus 2b. Here 2 terms given, in bracket 2 terms given, here also in bracket 2 terms given. Clear or not? Okay, So see, one thing we are taking, we can observe also a plus 2b here also there, but if we see that basically two terms we are getting, 3x into a plus 2b, here minus 2y into a plus 2b, means common portion is there, that's why we are getting two terms. So from these two common portion we can say that a plus 2b common, because a plus 2b here also is there and a plus 2b also here also is there, so that's why a plus 2b is the common. Clear? Okay, so that's why we are taking here a plus 2b common. Okay, so after this common we are getting what? Remaining portion what? 3x is the remaining portion, 3x is the remaining portion in the first term, so in bracket put 3x. Clear or not? Then in middle what sign? Minus sign is there, put minus sign here, minus sign. Next 2y put it here. So that is the answer. Easy, very easy. Already given in the question, already common portion already given. So that's why that common portion we take out. Clear? And the remaining portion, that will be in the bracket. Clear? Now see example 2. Example 2, 2a into a square plus 1 minus 3a into a square plus 1. See here also common is there. What is the common? A square plus 1, and here also a square plus 1 is the common is there. Here basically two terms is there. In bracket also two terms, but after common, that what is that? After common we are getting here the two terms. This one terms, another one here one terms. So a square plus 1 is the common in these two terms, a square plus 1. So we are taking here a square plus 1. That's why we are taking here a square plus 1. Clear? Next the remaining portion what? 2a in bracket 2a. So that's why in bracket we are writing here 2a. Next in the middle what sign? Minus sign is there, minus sign, put minus sign, and the remaining what? 3, because a square plus 1 already common taken, so minus 3 is there, means minus then 3. So that is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, very easy. Next example 4, see. Example 4, factorize. What is the question? See, 6 into 2a plus 3b whole square minus 8 into 2a plus 3b. That is the question. 6 into 2a plus 3b whole square minus 8 into 2a plus 3b. So see, common portion is there. What is the common? See, 2a plus 3b, here square is there, means 2 times is there, but here 2a plus 3b only 1 time is there. But we are getting common or not? We are getting common. So that common we should take out. Clear? Should take out that common. That also will take common. And another thing, see here another thing, here given 6 numerical coefficient, here given 8. So from there also we can take that common, 6 and 8. What will be the common? 2. Okay, so that's why we are writing here 2. Okay, and the next thing, 2a plus 3b will be the common from two terms, that's why 2a plus 3b common. Understood? Okay, so after that, see, after taking common we are getting what? In bracket, in second bracket we can write what? From 6, from this 6 we are getting what? 2, that means 3 left, because 2 3 is 6, that's why here writing 3. That's why we are writing here 3. Okay, another one, see this bracket, here was the 2a plus 3b whole square, means 2 times. We took here how many times? Only 1 time, that means 1 time left, 2a plus 3b in bracket, so that's why 2a plus 3b will be there 1 time. Clear? 2 times was there before, we have taken only 1 time, the remaining 1 time, that one will come here 2a plus 3b. After the minus sign, put it here minus sign, put it here minus sign. Next 8, 2 already taken, so that the remaining portion what? 4, and another 2a plus 3b already taken, only 1 time already taken, finished. So that is, after that next line, so first portion, the 2, next 2a plus 3b, that one the same thing will be there. See, in this second bracket or third bracket also we can say here third bracket, otherwise we can give the second bracket also. So we are getting what? 3 into, if we multiply, remove the first bracket, 3 2 is what? 6a, so that's why here written 6a plus 3 3 is 9b, 3 3 is 9b minus 4. Okay, that one we are getting. That is the answer. Okay. Next question. Example 2. See x into x minus y cube plus 3x square y into x minus y. So at first try to understand what is the common portion is there from these terms, from this algebraic expression. So see here basically we are getting here two terms, x into x minus y whole square, x minus y whole cube, and here 3x square y into x minus y. That means common portion is there. What is the common portion? X minus y. Here 3 times, but here 1 time. Another common is there. Another common here x 1 time, but here 2 times. Here 3 given, but here nothing is there, means 1 is there. So at first take the common portion. So from 2 terms we are getting x. That's why here written x. After that x minus y whole cube. So x minus y you can take the common. That's why here written x minus y. Okay, that common portion finished. After common we are getting what? From first terms x common finished, and x minus y whole cube is there, but x minus y already taken only 1 time common, but the remaining 2 times we should write here x minus y whole square. That's why we are writing here x minus y whole square, because in the question 3 times was there x minus y. In the common we have taken only 1 time, so 2 times will be there. That's why we are writing x minus y whole square 2 times, means x minus y whole square. Okay, next see in the middle what sign? Plus sign is there, put here plus sign. Okay, next what is the common? Common portion already taken here, x common already taken, and x minus y also already common taken. The remaining portion 3, put it here 3 is there, and x square is there in the question. X square was there, but already taken here how many times? Only 1 time x taken. The remaining 1 time we can take it here. That's why write here x. And y, see y is there, this y put it here, this y put it here. That means we are getting what? X into x minus y, x into x minus y. In third bracket or second bracket we can write x minus y whole square plus 3xy. Okay, okay. Now next line, see x into x minus y, that one the same thing we can write it. After that in the first bracket this one just expand it. Expand it means one formula is there. What is the formula? X minus y whole square formula. X minus y whole square formula what? X square minus 2xy plus y square. Clear? Because we know that one formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Okay. Similarly a plus b also same thing. A plus b whole square equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So that's why here written x minus y whole square equal to what? Written here x square plus y square before written that one. Otherwise you can write also x square minus 2xy plus y square and plus 3xy. Okay. So after simplification we are getting what? In third line we are getting x into x minus y. Okay, that one the similar thing we are getting, and in bracket we are getting what? X square plus y square. Here minus 2xy was there and plus 3xy. Minus 2xy plus 3xy minus what? Only xy, because positive sign is there, position is greater, that's why we are getting only xy. That is the example 4. Clear? Try to understand. Understood or not? Okay. Easy things, but your concept should be cleared. Otherwise, that one will be difficult, very hard. Next problem, see. Example 5. What is the question? See, factorize. Factorize a square into a square plus 2a minus ab into a square plus 2a plus b square into a square plus 2a. This is the question. Question clear? Again read the question. Question should be cleared. Okay, means all the things already given in the question, from clue already given, so from there only we can get the answer. So what is the common? See, a square plus 2a is the common, a square plus 2a here common, here basically 3 terms we are getting, here also a square plus 2a common, here also a square plus 2a common, clear. And another thing, see here a square was there, here ab is there, here bc square is there, because from 3 terms we are getting no common, because here a square means a is there, here also a is there, but here no a is there. Similarly b, here no b, but here b and here b, means we cannot take. So that's why at first take a square plus 2a, means bracket portion, that common portion we should take it, that one common. So after common we are getting what? Otherwise no common. Any other common is left? No common left. So now put the bracket. In a bracket we are getting what? In the first terms we are getting the remaining portion a square, put it here a square. Okay. Next minus sign, put here minus sign. From second term a square plus 2a already common, only ab left, put it here ab. Next plus sign, put plus sign here, plus sign, plus b square. So that means we are getting a square plus 2a into a square minus ab plus b square. That is the answer. Clear? Easy, very easy. Okay, and you should practice little bit, otherwise that problem will arise, because everything is depend on the practice. If you practice, your doubt also will be the clarified, means from there only you can understand also. You should practice more and more, more and more. If any problem you can ask, no problem. Okay. Next see example 6. Example 6. Factorize 2a plus 3b whole square minus 4a into 2a plus 3b plus 5b into 2a plus 3b. Here also see the question. Question also very easy. Try to understand what is the given question and what is the common is there. Okay. What is the common? See 2a plus 3b, that is the common. 2a plus 3b, here also 2a plus 3b, here also 2a plus 3b. But in first term 2a plus 3b whole square is there. No problem with that, means 2 times is there. Okay, it's okay, no problem that one. Okay, so that's why in the second line written here 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b. Why written here? Because 2 times was there, that's why 2a plus 3b whole square was there. So that's why we can write, means x square means what? We can write what? X into x. So that's why here written 2a plus 3b whole square means what? 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b. Okay, minus, in multiple minus is there, minus 4a into 2a plus 3b, same thing, and plus 5b into 2a plus 3b. The similar things we can write it. Okay, after that take common. So after taking common will be what? 2a plus 3b will be a common. So take common. So after taking common we are getting what? In the second bracket 2a plus 3b one time, because only one time common taken, and another one time will be there, that's why 2a plus 3b is there. Okay, next minus sign, minus 4a. Okay, minus 4a, because 2a plus 3b already common taken, plus 5b, plus 5b already taken here. Okay, so that's why we are getting what? 2a plus 3b. Okay, and here in this bracket just remove the first bracket, that means we are getting what? Here 2a and here minus 4a. 2a minus 4a means what? 2a minus 4a means minus 2a, so that's why here written minus 2a. Okay, and 3b plus 3b and here plus 5b, means plus 5b and plus 3b, that means 8b, so that's why here written 8b. That's why in the bracket written here 8b minus 2a. Okay, so see in the next line 2a plus 3b, that is common thing written, but here in this portion, no, in this portion see 8b and 2a, means 8 and 2 is there, means common portion is there. From 8 and 2 we can get the common portion what? 2, so that's why 2 common is there. So after taking common 2, so we can get it what? The remaining portion 8. From 8b 2 common means that one will be what? 4b, because 2 4 is 8, so 4b will be there, minus from 2a 2 already taken, only a left, only a left, so 4b 2 into 4b minus a. So these two just take out, means write it in first. So that's why here written 2 and these 2a plus 3b, that one was there in common, and that after calculation simplification we are getting 4b minus 4b minus a. So that is the answer. Means simplify step by step, means at first take the common portion, after the remaining portion, that remaining portion just simplify it. That is the answer. Okay. So see, I hope you understood. Exercise 17a, little bit I am discussing. See, first question, 6xy minus 4xz. 6xy minus 4xz. So say, at first say, what is the common? First numerical part, see 6 and 4. So 2 will be the common. Write 2. And next see, here xy and here xz. What is the common? X is the common. Put it here x. Next bracket, put bracket. So from 6, 2 taken means the remaining portion what will be there? 4 or 3? 3 will be there, because 2 3 is 6. So that's why x taken. So remaining y will be there. Next minus sign, put minus sign. From 4 2 taken. So 2 2 is 4. So 2 right here. X already taken. So z left. So z. So that is the answer. 2x into 3y minus 2z. That is the answer. Okay. Question number 2, see. Question number 2, 9b x square plus 15 b square x. So say, what is the common portion is there? What is the common? From 9 and 15, what is the common? 3 common, because 3 3 is 9 and 3 5 is 15. Okay. B is there, b also common is there. Here also b square is there, but common b is there. So we can take b common. Here see x square is there, but here only x is there. So common will be there what? X only. Okay. So after taking common, the remaining portion what? Here will be what? From 9 3 taken. So 3 will be there, because 3 3 is 9. Okay. B already taken, and x square was there, but only one time x taken. So another one time will be there, 3x plus. From 15 3 taken. So 5 will be there, 5. From b square, b already taken. So 1b will come. 1b will come, because 2 times was there, b 2 times was there, only one time taken. So another one time will be there, and x already taken. So that is the answer, complete. Okay. So this way we should do the all problems, all exercise. Okay. So at first you should practice little bit example problems, example 1 to example 6. Okay. Exercise part you will do later. At first try to understand and practice more, otherwise you won't get your solution. Okay. So, and if any problem, please you can ask. I am always ready. So that's why if any problem, any doubt, so you can ask me, otherwise any other teacher also, no problem. Any other subjects, any other teachers you can ask. So that's why we made the group also. But sometimes we are observing that few students are doing, few students are not doing. That is not good, that is very bad. Okay. So you should practice it at first, and exercise portion, that one you should try at first, like example all problems, otherwise I will explain it again. Okay. That's all. And do everyone, please, this is my request, not only this is my request, this is our request. So please do your work properly, and if any doubt, you should do it. Okay. That's all. Bye bye, take care.